If you're interviewing for a GenAI developer role in 2026, these are the questions that separate candidates who've only read about AI agents from those who've actually built them. Let's go. Question 1. What's the difference between traditional RAG and Agentic RAG? Traditional RAG retrieves documents once, then generates an answer. Agentic RAG adds a decision-making loop. The agent can decide whether to retrieve again, use a different tool, or refine its search based on the quality of what it got back. Interview tip: mention that Agentic RAG handles multi-hop questions traditional RAG struggles with. Question 2. What problem does LangGraph solve that a simple prompt chain doesn't? LangGraph lets you build agent workflows as a graph with state, conditionals, and loops, instead of a fixed linear chain. This matters when an agent needs to retry, branch based on a decision, or maintain memory across multiple steps. Question 3. What is MCP, and why does it matter for agent development? MCP, or Model Context Protocol, is a standardized way for AI models to connect to external tools and data sources, like a universal adapter, instead of writing custom integration code for every tool an agent needs to use. Question 4. When would you choose QLoRA over LoRA for fine-tuning? QLoRA adds quantization on top of LoRA, dramatically reducing memory usage, making it possible to fine-tune large models on a single consumer GPU. Choose QLoRA when hardware is the constraint. Choose standard LoRA when you have more compute and want slightly faster training. Question 5. How do you decide which vector database to use in a RAG pipeline? It depends on scale and infrastructure. Pinecone or Weaviate for managed, production scale needs, FAISS for local, lightweight prototyping, or pgvector if you want to stay inside an existing PostgreSQL setup instead of adding a new system. Question 6. What does LLMOps add on top of traditional MLOps? LLMOps includes prompt versioning, token cost monitoring, hallucination evaluation, and guardrail testing, concerns that don't exist in traditional ML deployment, where you're not managing a non-deterministic text generating system in production. Question 7. What's prompt injection, and how do you defend against it? It's when malicious input tricks a model into ignoring its original instructions. Defenses include input sanitization, strict system prompt boundaries, and treating any tool retrieved content as untrusted data rather than instructions. Question 8. How do you evaluate whether a RAG system is actually working well? Look at retrieval precision. Are the retrieved chunks actually relevant, and generation faithfulness? Does the answer stick to what was retrieved, or does it hallucinate beyond the source material? Those are 8 real GenAI developer interview questions with interview-ready answers. If this helped, subscribe. I'm covering Agentic AI, RAG, and GenAI career prep every week. See you in the next one.